How are you guys today? I need to check levels.
Yes, I'm a very good boy.
Oh, yeah.
You are a naughty boy, Nathan.
Oh, naughty.
You're not a good boy. You dirty boy.
Right. How are you, Nathan?
I'm a good boy.
How are
I'm
you,
a very good
Jordan?
boy.
I'm an even gooder boy.
Oh, I like good boys. For me, please, just so I can see if the levels are alright and it's recording you.
Yeah, man. My name's Jordan Wells, and I sold my soul to the devil to play Final Fantasy 14 every day, all day.
Yo, is that a chalk ice?
That's a
Yeah,
fucking
bruv.
chalk ice,
Yeah,
mate.
mate.
Chalk eyes pain.
Welcome. You guys can't hear me. These two now
Yo.
can hear me.
Every time.
I swear to God, this guy never learned to swear to.
More. Just give me a. Oh, alright. Alright, Nathan, I know how you feel.
It's just like, yo, peace. I'm out of here.
I have to be, yeah. I have to be. Yo,
Yo.
I have to get myself in the daft mood to get hyped up for this fucking poddle.
Why? What have you just done?
Just went for a piss.
Wait.
Mic check 1, 2.
Give me a mic. Give me a mic check 1 2, Nathan.
Mic check 5-4.
Mic check 1 2, Jordan.
Mic check 5, 4.
3 2 1. Alright.
Oh no, man. Wash machine.
My man.
My man. Big up my man, yeah? Alright, that's another one, yeah, another one. We the best music.
We the best. Jason Derulo.
Jason Derulo. Go on. Smoke weed.
Smoke weed every day.
That's the problem.
I need to get a drink and stuff before we start. Half an hour.
It never lets me share to my story, man.
Do you want me to do a facts and crap, or we're sticking to the news? Just news tonight.
I think we've got lots of news and I think we've got lots of updates, so I think we might be alright, you know. As like a first pod back. What we could do actually, what we could do.
No, because I'm happy to just keep it as short as possible. We
Yeah,
need to keep in time.
What we could do actually tonight is do the first poll.
Do we know how to set one of them up?
Sorry, I was
Cat
trying
can do
to...
one on the socials.
What's that? A
So
poll?
we were just we were just saying that obviously we've got a lot of updates for the new season and we've got a lot of news.
Yeah.
So rather than trying to squeeze something in, what we could do tonight is set up the first poll.
So I could be on right now.
Mm-hmm.
Up and coming, all there.
YouTuber stuff.
You got sir?
YouTube stuff.
You don't need YouTuber stuff. I didn't have all this stuff when I was doing YouTube. This has happened over time, mate.
So
Takes time to build.
iPad.
So I've titled the stream "We Are a Season 2 #1. The console war continues."
Mm-hmm.
Oh, big title.
Yes,
Yes,
I'll send it to YouTube if I'm on an iPad.
yeah.
Oh, I'm excited for this one. We got some good topics.
You've done well, man.
I'm sure I've got Tourette's. I get urges to do something when I get gassed up.
Mate, why can't I share this to my story?
Guys, give me another 1 2 1 2.
1 2 1 2.
Yeah, you can
1
watch that if you
2,
want.
baby. Why?
Are you both using your headsets?
Yeah.
No, I'm using my
Right. Okay.
Hide that.
Whatever these are.
Jordan, just sit in the most relaxed position and just speak for me, please.
Yo, sexy boy. You shouldn't shave your beard.
Yeah, I need to shave my beard.
Nah, mate.
Nathan, speak for me in your most natural position.
I've not even had 5 minutes. Man. Don't bother.
Hello, I'm a normal friend, and I'm called Johnson.
That's close.
Who's this? Oh, shit.
Yo.
I've already got her. Thanks.
That's shit. Oh, sorry. I will.
That's got a dupe. A doopity doop doop.
1 sec. Better.
10, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, bruv. Oh, shit. I can count 17. You just seen that.
They give me chocolate dogs on Mondays. They only give me chocolate bips on Tuesdays.
Give me a 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, bruv.
Nathan.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Very nice. One more. Give me a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, I'm fucked. I'm fucked now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
In your most casual position. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Bum
1,
hurts.
2.
Shan's gonna tickle my asshole with a tongue.
Ooh, baby.
Isn't that right, Shan? What? Yeah? Wanna go brush your teeth?
Give me a 1, 2, 1, 2, Nathan.
Hello, my name's Domino, and I like the chicken effect.
Jordan, give me a 1, 2 chicken effect.
1, 2, chicken effect, yeah.
Give me a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, Nathan.
Hello, my name's Jackson 5, and I live in a castle.
Jordan,
Yo, G. What are you saying?
give me a yes, fam. What are you saying?
Yes, you, bro.
All right, 15 minutes, lads. Give me a 1, 2, 3, 4, Nath.
1, 2, 3, 4. Who's your mum at the door?
And give me a oh yeah, nice and loud.
Give it me, baby. Ah.
Jordan,
very
I want the
I'm a bit turned on, bro.
I want the
All
same.
these years of porn, man.
I want the same from you, Jordan.
What?
I want-
Orgasms or ABC 1, 2, 3?
Orgasm.
That'll do. And give me a oh yeah.
Oh. I pulled inspiration from Shan.
Yes,
man,
mate.
so-
No fraud clear. Give me a 1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Ooh, baby, yeah, I love it. Give me a 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2.
What? Hello, baby. How are you doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Don't take all the numbers, man. What a ras. You gotta
Sorry,
leave something for
sorry.
me.
I'm
What
a
is
pirate.
this? I know it's Halloween. I know you're a pirate. God damn.
Oh, where's your rum?
Yeah, I'll come and murder your ass.
I'm gonna go get one now.
Oh yeah, go on. 1, 2, 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Nathan.
Hello, my name's Diva Roan, and I live in a car.
Jordan, give me a mic check.
Yo.
Give me a mic check.
1, 2, bro. 1, 2.
Give us another quick mic check, both of you, please.
Mic check, mic check.
Hello there. Hello there.
Hello, my name is Jim.
Jim. My name's Jeff. Fucking Jeff.
I'm a smoker, me. Jim.
Smoker.
You're a smoking dog.
Rapist. I mean,
Oi.
sexually active.
Give us one more quick check before we go live. 1, 2, 2, check 1.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yo,
How are you?
Gary Glitter. My name's Nathan,
No, it ain't.
and I like feet.
Don't even. Oh, cheeky.
Hello, my name's Dandy Beaver. I'm live from the Chud Network.
Right, quick sound check one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Hello, my name's Jackson. I live in a bag.
Jordan,
Yo, yo.
give me the 1, 2, 1, 2, yo.
1, 2, 1, 2. I'm an escaped serial killer. And you're next, Nathan.
Can you turn Jordan up there, but not there?
No, I'm gonna take.
Like a
I'm gonna.
glove.
What do you mean? Turn him up?
Oh, it doesn't matter. I didn't realise you were gonna put him on. I'm so fucking big.
Maybe yeah.
Yeah, no, that's cool. That's cool.
Speak for me, Jordan.
Yo.
Are you getting picked up through my mic?
Yeah. Oh, I did a minute ago, but I heard myself when I said yo, but I can't hear myself now.
How about now?
Yo.
Give me a ooga booga booga.
Well. What, complain, will they?
Nah, mate. You're not going to complain at that, are you?
Psh, I can't. I just, whatever arrives, as long as it's a PS5, I don't give a fuck.
Right. So 1, 2, check 1, 2, check 1, 2. Nothing.
Hello, my name's Davis and I live in a bin.
Jordan.
Yo, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Cheers, man. Cheers. Thank you. Thank you.
Pokemon Yellow is the best game out of all the Pokemons.
Big,
I will kind of half second that. Yes.
I was about to say I would half second that.
I mean,
I would say
there's
gold and
still
silver is
the
one of
Texas
mine. I like
don't
gold
know,
and
man.
silver, man.
I like
Fuck
them, but I just leaf green, man, and emerald. Ugh.
Yeah, they did a good.
Yeah, they did good there. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it just feels so good.
I can't wait to get one. Me. I'm not gonna lie, can't wait.
I'm still getting a video card instead, but he might be able to change my mind this episode. Are we gonna have you showcasing tonight, Jordan?
What, the PS5?
I think that'd be good.
Yeah, we could do.
There's a lot of people that haven't got one yet that will be intrigued, and I think that's a good. If you're cool with
Yeah.
it,
Yeah.
just
me.
the dashboard, maybe a game or two, just some of the features.
Yeah, I'll stick on Spider-Man and Valhalla.
Oh, what about Astro?
Yeah, I'll put Astro on, actually. Yeah, I'll put Spider-Man and Astro on.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that'd be sick.
Well, I don't want to do that because I was gonna do the PS5 simulator. Fuck that off and well, if we had time, but if you want, do it at the end after the Game
Yeah.
Awards.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, whenever, man. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, actually, are we? You know what? No, John. Do you want to do it? With Call of Duty, just after Call of Duty,
Yeah.
because it
fine.
kind of fits in with the adaptive triggers and stuff, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's fine. We'll do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you can be like, oh yeah, talk about the adaptive trigger stuff, and then you can be like, oh, we can actually show that,
Yeah.
and then boom,
Nice.
that'll be sick.
Mm-hmm.
It's good with me.
Yes.
Good with me.
Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Got nothing. 1, 2.
Hello, I'm a criminal and I live in a desert.
You've been playing too much RuneScape, you.
I know, man.
Not wrong with RuneScape, man.
I love RuneScape, me. I'm thinking about starting it again.
Free.
Nah, OS.
Get it started up, mate. I've already got an account that's like pretty low.
Jordan, give us a 1-2-1-2, please.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Nearly finished Final Fantasy 15.
Yeah, man.
Got like a
Pen
few
game.
chapters to go. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
I'm gonna crank you up a tiny
I've
bit.
got a bit of a croaky voice because I'm hot.
Jordan, give us a 1-2-1-2. I'm gonna
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2.
1, 2, 2, 2. Are you guys ready for tonight? Are you ready?
You're not ready.
I'm not ready. I'm nervous always. 1, 2. Check. 1, 2. Check mic, Nathan. 1, 2. Check your mic. 1, 2. Nathan. 1, 2. Check it.
I'm a dildo inside a homeless man's bumhole.
I'm pretty sure it's a South Park game somewhere.
Oh, mate, I would
You what,
definitely
Jordan?
play that.
Pretty sure that's a South Park game somewhere down the line.
Yeah, no. I still need to play Fractured Butthole, me.
Oh, mate, I don't like it as much as the other one because I prefer fantasy RPG over like superhero stuff.
Oh, is it the
You know what I mean?
superhero one, the second game?
Fractured Butthole.
Yeah.
It's about like Coon and stuff.
Yeah, Coon and Friends.
Fucking coon, man.
They're so fucked in it.
They're so clever though. With like they're the most cleverest people ever.
Am
Like,
I coming through
unreal.
twice on your guys?
No.
1, 2, 2. Check. Hello. Check 1, 2. I need to turn myself up a little bit. Check 1, 2. 1, 2. Check. Nathan.
Hello, I'm a Johnny in someone's vagina.
Just left there. Not like it's not being
Yeah,
taken
mate,
out. It's just being left there.
There's no penis inside it. It's just yeah.
And give me a 1, 2, Jordan, please.
1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2.
Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Hi. Hello, hi. Hello, hi. That's fine. Good, thank you. Thank you. Bye. Bye.